Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Quantum Analyst, which focuses on quantum computing stock investing. On Tuesday, August 15, 2023, IONQ stock was added to the portfolio of the MEME stock ETF, ticker symbol MEME, making IONQ officially a MEME stock. In today's video, I am going to dig into the MEME ETF and its index, followed by what this means for IONQ stock. Stay tuned. The MEME ETF is the first ETF globally explicitly designed to track the performance of MEME stocks. It was launched on December 8, 2021 by Roundhill Investments, an SEC-registered investment advisor focused on offering innovative ETFs. Currently, it has $3.3 million in assets, with an expense ratio of 0.69%. On August 15, 2023, IONQ was added to the MEME ETF's portfolio, with a weight of 4%. In the 2 years and 8 months since it was launched, this is the first time IONQ has been included. Now we can say, IONQ is officially a MEME stock. The MEME ETF's index is provided by Solactive, an index provider headquartered in Frankfurt, Germany. On August 14, Solactive announced its bi-weekly adjustment, with IONQ's addition as one of the adjustments. The next day, the MEME ETF adjusted its portfolio holdings accordingly. The MEME index is composed by the following rules. Number 1, it consists of 25 US-listed stocks. Number 2, the 25 stocks are equal weighted, which means each stock will have a 4% weight after rebalancing. Number 3, to be included in the index, a stock should exhibit a combination of elevated social media activity and high short interest. Number 4, the index is rebalanced bi-weekly. This means the fund has an extremely high turnover rate, and some stocks will get in and out very frequently. Overall, its index rules are very special. Some stocks that are frequently included in the MEME ETF are entertainment stocks, such as GameStop, AMC Entertainment, DraftKings. Electric and hydrogen vehicle stocks, such as Rivian, Lucid, Nikola, Canoo, NIO. Crypto stocks, such as Coinbase, Riot, Marathon Digital, MicroStrategy. Space exploration stocks, such as Virgin Galactic, Rocket Lab. Fintech stocks, such as Robinhood, Sophie, Block. Marijuana stocks, such as Tilray. Solar stocks, such as Enphase. You may not have owned these stocks, but if you are a frequent social media user, such as on Twitter or YouTube, you must have seen these names day in and day out. How does the MEME ETF perform? Year to date, the MEME ETF is outperforming. Look at the chart. In the first 7 months of 2023, the MEME ETF has beaten all 3 major indices. If you only look at this chart, you may think the MEME thesis is tempting. But if you look at the next chart, you may have a second thought. This chart has longer time frame. Since inception in December 2021, it was down 57%. While at the same period, the S&P 500 ETF SPY was down only 6%. Not only that, MEME's volatility is way higher. From the chart, we can see very wild swings along the way. So the lesson is, always try to look at a broader picture. According to Wikipedia, a MEME stock is a stock that gains popularity among retail investors through social media. On the MEME ETF's website, it emphasized the rise of retail investors, and listed a few numbers. In 2021, retail investors accounted for 21.3% of total equity volume. As of January 2023, Wall Street Bets has over 13 million active users. As of December 2022, Robinhood has 11.4 million monthly active users. What makes IONQ a MEME stock? According to the MEME ETF's index methodology, inclusion is based on 2 criteria. Number 1, elevated social media activity. Number 2, high short interest. IONQ met both of these criteria. In the past few years, quantum computing has been a hot topic among governments, academia, business, and even regular people. Google Trends has shown that searches for quantum computing have been steadily trending higher. Especially in 2023, after seeing Nvidia's stock price rocket higher, investors are fervently looking for the next big thing. Quantum computing is one of the most promising areas. IonQ is one of the few pure players with the best fundamentals, so it naturally became a new darling. It is very interesting that, even though IonQ is a darling among many investors, there is still relatively high short interest in the stock. In May 2022, a notable short-selling research firm, Scorpion Capital, issued an investigative report claiming that IonQ is an academic side hustle, and its quantum computer is a hoax with staged Nikola-style photos. The company initiated a short position afterwards. Fast forward to now, according to Barron's, as of July 31, 2023, IonQ's short interest is close to 14% of its float. Even though this number is much lower than GameStop at its peak, it is still a high number by normal standards. Being included in the meme index and ETF portfolio means IonQ already has the characteristics a meme stock should have. By observing other meme stocks' behavior, we can expect these characteristics to persist. Here are a few things we can expect. Number 1, fundamental disconnect. We may see IonQ's share price detach from underlying financial performance if meme popularity outweighs sane valuation. Number 2, increased volatility. As we've seen in recent sessions, IonQ has had dramatic swings. This kind of volatility may persist. Number 3, higher trading volumes. No doubt we've seen this. Number 4, reputational risk. When people hear the term meme stock, they think of GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, bankruptcy, irrational day trading, and other negative things. Even though this may not affect IonQ's business operations, it is still not ideal. Number 5, it may draw regulatory scrutiny. Overall, meme is not a flattering title. For IonQ investors, maybe the right thing is to think long-term, focus on fundamentals, and curb the urge to time the market. The bottom line, trading is not investing. That concludes today's video. Please leave any comments or feedback below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated and will help me continue creating content. Thank you.